Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF document to RTF format, that means rich text format, using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now select convert option, and this convert option, here you will find this more option and click here, and this RTF format, select the RTF dialog box. Now open and select setting option, and you can convert specific page range, all page, and this OCR recognition active for only scan PDF and so on. Now select OK. You can save this file same folder, or you can change a specific folder. I'll select source folder. Now select OK. Our file now converting, and open folder. This very is text format. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.